how you can log in into your Fiverr account. Now, without any further ado, let's just get right into it. First things first, make sure that you've installed the Fiverr app, and if you have already done that, just open it up. Now, after you open it up, what you'll have to see is this interface. Now, right here, you can just skip it or sign in. Let us just skip it for now. And right there, you can see if you don't have an account, you can join Fiverr. Now, you can connect with Facebook, Google, even your Apple ID. But if you have just used your email, you can just sign up with email too. Now, since assuming you already have an account, just tap on sign in, and here you will need to just type in your email or username and password and hit on continue to just log in. Now, other than that, you have other options that you can use to log into. Now, you can log in with your Apple or Facebook or Google too. And yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how you log in into your Fiverr account. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for the video. If you found this video helpful, just hit the like button down below and press the bell icon and subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. That is all. Bye bye.